So, Mr. Meer, you have over 50 businesses worldwide and you have a huge network of top investors, celebrities, entrepreneurs. You already have everything. Like, then why this business network?
This is an interesting question. Why this network? Because all the fortune I have made, all the money, all the businesses and everything, that I have achieved through the networking. Networking means like I have big social media following and most of them fans, they are investors or entrepreneurs or businesses, top, institutions to top government organizations as well as celebrities from the region, international entrepreneurs, investors. So I've learned when I provide people a platform where they can come together, and then discuss businesses, discuss their visions, discuss their passion. A lot of beautiful things happen in the form of beautiful projects and businesses where everyone makes money as well as they make some really nice friends. So that's exactly what I've done.